Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share tag number 8 that is in my Christmas gift tag series that I am sharing with you. And this is tag number 10. This die is from the Stamps of Life. I thought I left a die out, but I did not. And it is one of the newer collections. So I just, it does have a shadow piece. It has the ornament itself. And then I trimmed out this part in the ornament. And then added some of these enamel dots. And then this holly enamel type of sticker. This is all from the Stamps of Life. The trim is the twine is as well. I just have the to and the from on the back. And that's my number 8 gift tag in this series. So I hope you guys are having fun following along. Thank you for joining here. If you are new, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.